Anup Madan, BE Mechanical, graduate engineer from Bangalore University. I started my business in the year 2005 in Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, with a very less capital, and I reached here because of my hard work, determination and focus. My focus was to establish a company, establish a name, establish a brand. I have selected this field because it is nowadays become part of all the industry. It helps industry to increase productivity and reduce labor, because of which cost of product reduces, and it helps to balance the economy of country also. That is the reason I have selected this. During my journey I faced many problems. I faced a problem with the political issues also, with government officials also, with retaining laborers in our industry also. So I faced a lot of hardship, but because of focus and determination I reached and overcome all the difficulties. Internet can play a very big role in the marketing in the upcoming years. It can reduce the marketing cost drastically. Nowadays the cost is going so high, the transportation cost, the communication cost is going so high, but the product cost, the final product cost is coming down because of this competition. So this can play a major role in selling your product and increasing the growth of company. IndiaMart is becoming a bridge between buyer and seller. It is really helping in reducing the marketing cost, but I feel in the upcoming 3 to 4 years it will really capture the good market. B2B marketing will be the only solution for marketing remaining in India or the other countries. We have purchased around 400 leads, and out of which around 30 to 40% we have achieved. They have shared in our growth. We have got certain orders from Kanyakumari also. We have got certain orders from Kashmir also. So we are getting orders from Kashmir to Kanyakumari in different zones. Because of our employees' determination, focus and hard work, we have reached from a very less capital to such a huge group. Now we are looking forward to become the top leading brand in the industry in the next 5 years.